वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवो सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्।
धन्यवादः महोदय। सूपर् फास्ट् एक्स्प्रेस्। अस्तु, गतकक्षायाः विषये वा गृहकार्यस्य विषये वा प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा, सन्देहाः सन्ति वा? न वा? सुलभमेव किल? अस्तु,
महोदय एकः संशयः अस्ति।
वदतु महोदय।
वयं जानीमः जश्त्वसन्धि पदान्ते इति वयं पठितवन्तः, परन्तु श्रुत्वं सन्धेः अपि पदान्ते भवति?
न पदमध्ये अपि भवितुम् अर्हति।
अस्तु।
च्युत्वसन्धेः एषः नियमः नास्ति पदान्ते भवेत् इति।
धन्यवादः।
केवलं जष्ट्वं मध्ये अस्ति। अस्तु, रीटा महोदय भवती एव वदतु, च्युत्वसन्धेः नियमाः के?
च्युत्वसन्धेः सकारस्य शकार च वर्गाभ्यां योगे सकारस्य स्थाने शकारः भवति। द्वितीयः नियमः त वर्गाभ्यां श च वर्गाभ्यां द्वयोः मेलने तकारस्य क्रमशः च वर्गस्य आदेशः भवति।
मेलने मास्तु योगे।
योगे योगे
किमित्युक्ते योगः अत्र किञ्चित् प्रत्येकं पदमस्ति। योगः इत्युक्ते किम्? अत्र केवलं योजनं न किल, केवलं संयोजनं करणीयं न, अत्र योजनं योगः इत्युक्ते किम्? कोऽपि वक्तुम् इच्छति वा?
सम्बन्धं।
किमस्ति हरप्रसाद महोदय?
सम्बन्धं।
सम्बन्धम् इत्युक्ते किम्?
That means it may be on both, just a relationship.
पूर्वपदं पूर्ववर्णः केवलं सकारः, परवर्णः केवलं चकारः इत्यर्थः न। पूर्ववर्णः किमपि भवितुम् अर्हति, परवर्णः अपि किमपि भवितुम् अर्हति। अस्तु, अखिल महोदय, तृतीयः नियमः कः?
तकार थ वर्ग।
तकार च वर्ग इति रीटा उक्तवती। तृतीयं
शकार त वर्ग, शकार च becomes the, and then
काम्बिनेशन् पश्यतु। अत्र पश्यन्तु, दर्शयामि।
च वर्गस्य त वर्गस योगेन च वर्गस्य च वर्गः भवति।
आदेशः भवति।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्। तृतीयः नियमः अस्ति च वर्गस्य तवर्गेण योगे च वर्गस्य क्रमशः च वर्गः आदेशः भवति। सो अत्र काम्बिनेशन्स् पश्यन्तु। सकारः अस्ति, त वर्गः अस्ति, शकारः अस्ति, च वर्गः अस्ति। सो पूर्ववर्ण कैन बी 1, 2, 3 or 4. Same way, Paravarna can be 1, 2, 3 or 4. So 4 plus 4 total 8 combinations bhavitum arhati. So gatakakshayam prashnah asit apavadasya arthah kaha. So shakaraha plus tavarga, is that not part of the
Second niyama.
द्वितीयः नियमः इति निर्मल महोदय उक्तवान्। आम् सत्यं। So out of the 8 combinations, I wrote it this way: Sakara, Takara, Shakara, Chakara. So out of all these 8 combinations, Shakara plus Takara. So the Purva Varna has to be a Shakara and the Paravarna has to be a Takara. Tada eva Chutvam na bhavati. That's what it is saying. In all other cases, that is not what is being talked about. Kevalam yatra purvavarnaha shakarah asti, paravarnaha tavargasya kopi varnaha asti, tada eva chutvam na bhavati. Prash plus naha prashnaha atra nakarasya kimapi parivartanam na bhavati. If it had applied chutvam, then nakara should have become cha cha ja janya. So it should have been prashnya, prashnya, but it is remaining prashnaha because chutvam will not happen. एतत् स्पष्टं वा निर्मल महोदय?
Mahodaya, I have a doubt.
पृच्छतु महोदय।
I'll ask in English.
चिन्ता नास्ति, पृच्छतु।
So my understanding was for Shutva Sandhi to happen, the Purva Varna has to be Sakara or Takara, Tavarga or Sakara. Where does Sha come at all?
So that is what atra pashyatu yogaha. So this is what we covered in the last class. So it is not saying, look at the first rule, sakarasya shakara chavargabhyam yoge. This is the key word. And what is yoga defined as? Yoga is defined as sambandha. So what does sambandha mean? It says there is no rule that only this has to be a Purva Varna and this has to be a Paravarna. This can be a Purva Varna or this can be a Purva. If this is a Purva Varna, this will become Paravarna. If this is a Purva Varna, then this will become Paravarna. So that is why if you look at the heading, it says Purva Varna or Paravarna. Normally we only say Purva Varna and this will be Paravarna. But here we are giving both options for both these column headings.
So is it possible that you have Sakara as Purva Varna and Shakara as Paravarna? Is it possible?
Yeah.
Sakara as Purva Varna and Shakara as Paravarna. Shishus Shete. There Sakara becomes Shakara and Shishus Shete.
Thank you.
Chinta nasti. Is the Apavada clear? Because this will apply to the next Sandhi, which is the Tuktva Sandhi also. We have a similar Apavada. So let me know if this is not clear.
So if we add this apvada to the second niyama, then third niyama is not required, right?
No. It's not generic. It's very specific that Shakara has to be Purva Varna and Tavarga will be Paravarna. It is not yoga in this case for the
Okay.
Apavada. Okay.
So, Mahodaya, this is an exception, right?
Apavada means exception.
Yeah.
So,
Dhanyawad. Dhanyawad, Mahodaya.
So that is why I wrote it this way, hoping this will help some people. For me, it helps to write it this way. So we can have Purvavarna, Sakara or Tavarga, or these can be Paravarna. Same way, Shakara or the Cha Varga can be Purvavarna or Paravarna. So that is how this combination. Purvavarna Sakara, Paravarna Shakara. Purvavarna Sakara, Paravarna, any of the Cha Varga. Likewise, if you do all the possible combinations, you'll end up with 8 combinations. And what it is saying, the Apavada is saying is, when the Purvavarna is Shakara and Paravarna is Tavarga, only in this case. So, Ta plus Sha, this will result in Chutva. But this will not result in Chutva. That is why the third rule will not get cancelled. Spashtam?
Mahodaya. Dhanyawad.
अस्तु वयं प्रथमम् अभ्यासं कृतवन्तः अद्य द्वितीयम् अभ्यासं कुर्मः कंचन महोदय कृपया आरम्भं करोतु
महोदय बालवान् शत्रुः
अत्र बालवान् न बलवान्
बलवान् शत्रु
एतत् अक्षरं किम् एषः अक्षरः कः न्य बलवान् शत्रुः
बलवान् शत्रु
so that should give you a clue
so it will be balavan adhikam shatruh no will be replaced by nya
नकारस्य ञकारः भवति उत्तमं लक्ष्मी महोदय
कियश्चिरं
पुनः वदतु पुनः पठतु
कियच्चिरं
कियच्चिरं
कियत् प्लस् चिरं
कियत् प्लस् चिरं किं भवति सन्धिकार्यं किम् अत्र
तवर्ग चवर्ग भवति
अतः तकारस्य चकारः भवति तकारः प्रथमः वर्णः तवर्गस्य चकारः चवर्गस्य प्रथमः वर्णः अतः तकारस्य चकारः कियत् चिरं कियच्चिरं रीटा महोदय
लक्ष्मणश्च लक्ष्मणस्
लक्ष्मणस् च सकारस्य शकारस्य योगे लक्ष्मणश्च भवति परन्तु वयं जानीमः लक्ष्मणस् इति किमपि पदं नास्ति so that must be a result of something else
Mahodaya. If I take one step back again, then it becomes Sakaradesha atah Lakshmanah cha.
Visarga Sandeha Sakaradesha. So Prathamam Lakshmanah cha iti asti. Visarga Sandhihi Sandehe Sakaradeshat Karanat Lakshmanas plus cha bhavati. Lakshmanas plus cha chutvam prapya Lakshmanas cha bhavati. So those who are new students, those who did not study Lata with us, is this part clear?
Mahodaya.
They are,
Akila Mahodaya did revision in Tuesday class.
Oh, nice. Lakshmi Mahodaya.
Every Tuesday she is doing one role.
Oh, Uttamam, Uttamam. Lakshmi Mahodaya. Spashtam va etat?
आम्
Madhumati Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
Vallabh Mahodaya.
Kiyat plus chiram.
क्षम्यतां वल्लभ महोदय एकक्षणं somebody was asking
No.
एकक्षणं वल्लभ महोदय
अस्तु
somebody
Kiyat
was
plus, I was asking, Kiyat plus chiram is, Kiyat chiram is Shutva Sandhi.
श्चुत्व सन्धिः एव सत्यं तकार becomes चकार so takara plus chakara, therefore takara becomes chakara, therefore kiyachi plus chiram kiyat chiram. वल्लभ महोदय कृपया म्यूट् मध्ये भवतु स्पष्टं वा मधुमती महोदय
Balavan, I just wanted to know the names of the Sandhi also as we discussed.
These are all Chutva Sandhi only. In this particular case, this happens to be, there happens to be an additional Sandhi which is
Visarga Sandhi. This I understood.
Sakaradesh.
Yeah, Sakara Desha. No, the first one I didn't get it, the Nya part of it. Na becomes Nya.
So what is the rule for Chutva Sandhi? So when one of these get added to these, then ta becomes cha, tha becomes cha, da becomes ja, dha becomes jha, and na becomes nya.
Got it. Sorry. I didn't realize Na was part of Tavarga.
Chinta.
Sorry.
Vallabh Mahodaya, is this part clear?
Mahodaya, yes, I have studied Visarga Sandhi previously, so I'm aware of it.
Astu, Uttama. Nirmal Mahodaya, etat karotu कृपया.
Bhavajallari. So I think it will be first Bhavat plus Jallari. Then somehow the Takara becomes Dakara. Dakara. And then the Dakara will become Jakara.
What is that somehow?
I don't remember that fully, but yeah, that's
Just
Satyam, Jashtva. So Takara becomes Dakara. And then Dakara becomes
Jakara.
So this is Jashtva and this is Chutva. So in your homework also, there is a question about the order in which if more than one Sandhi is possible, what is the order? So always Jashtva happens first and then Chutva or Shtutva. We'll study Shtutva today. And then Chartva. There is one more Sandhi called Chartva. So that is the order. Jashtva first, Chutva or Shtutva second, and then Chartva. So वो अर्थः कः? Jallari इत्युक्ते
Jallari is some kind of I don't know, it's some fan which you hold in hand or something like that.
Musical instrument.
Oh, musical instrument. Okay. So your musical instrument.
Your musical instrument. So bhavatah jallari, because of samatha it becomes bhavat jallari, which because of sandhi becomes bhavat jallari. So there is a name for the sequence in which we do the sandhi karyam. Jashtvam first and then Chutvam or Stutvam and then finally Chatvam. That is called Shastriya Kramaha. That's the technical term. Shastriya Kramaha. And there is a exercise in your homework to see if you do Jashtva first and then Chutva second, or if you reverse the order, will you get the same result? So if you have not done the homework, please do that. Gayatri Mahoday. न श्रूयते गायत्री महोदय. अस्तु अखिला महोदय.
पूर्णश्चन्द्रः पूर्णः चन्द्रः पूर्णशकारादेशः स plus ch, that becomes sh due to shutva sandhi. Therefore, it is पूर्णश्चन्द्रः.
प्रथमं किं भवति? पूर्णस् प्लस चन्द्रः सत्यमेव, परन्तु पूर्णस् इति किमपि पदं नास्ति किल.
पूर्णः चन्द्रः.
पूर्णः चन्द्रः पूर्णश्चन्द्रः कथं भवति? सन्धि अस्ति वा तत्र?
पूर्णः प्लस विसर्ग प्लस च च. So there is a shakaradeshah Mahodaya.
Uttam.
So that sa becomes sha adeshah bhavati, and then sha becomes shutvam.
Not sha, sa becomes sha.
Yeah.
Starts out as Purnaha Chandraha.
Purnaha Chandraha, and then
because of the Sarga Sakaradeshaha, it becomes Purnas Chandraha. And because of Chutvam, Sakara plus Chakara, there the Sakara becomes Shakara, it becomes Purnas Chandraha. So if you are able to do the Visarga, if there is a Visarga, then you have to do the Visarga Sandhi first, and then apply any of the Vyanjanas.
Okay.
Shamita Mahodaya.
चिन्ता नास्ति, करोतु एतत् करोतु.
सुहृद जगाम.
एतत् पठतु, पुनः पठतु.
सुहृद जगाम.
अत्र हलन्त नास्ति.
जगाम.
सुहृद जगाम.
सुहृद जगाम. सुहृद अधिकं जगाम.
तो किं भवति सुहृद जगाम?
सुहृद takaram becomes jakara.
Dakara. Takara becomes dakara, right?
Dakara. So dakara becomes.
Asti. Chinta nasti. You're on the right track. So suhrud jagama. Atra dakara becomes jakara. Parantu suhrud iti na kimapi na. So if you take a step back, it will be suhrut jagama. So starts out as suhrut and jagama, which becomes suhrut jagama, which becomes suhrut jagama. Yeshaha sandhihi kaha? What is this sandhi?
Jashva sandhi. Then recent we learned Shrutvam. Shrutva.
Jashva followed by Shrutva.
Shrutva.
Ramu Mahoday.
Bhagavat Shakti. Bhagavat plus Shakti.
Bhagavat Shakti. Uttama. Suhrut Jagama इत्युक्ते किम्?
asking me?
Anybody.
Okay.
Suhrid is a
Friend who went or something like that.
Friend who went. Jagama. What is that? Lakara?
little akara.
Little akara.
Lit lakara. Uttama. Prashant Mahoday. प्रशांत महोदय अस्ति वा?
आं महोदय, सज्जनः, that would be Sun and Jaya.
No, what? Sajjanaha, good person. Hindi also we have Sajjan, right? Same thing.
Yeah. Okay. One moment. Yes, sir. Sad. And then Janaha.
Sat Janaha. So that becomes Sad Janaha. What is the sandhi that is happening here? When does ta become the? Jashva sandhi.
Jashva, yes, sir.
First, again here, Jashvam happens. Therefore, Sadjanaha, and then Chutvam happens, Sajjanaha. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Meena Hariharan Mahoday.
Sat Jayah. Sat Jayah.
Katham. How?
Oh, Jayah. Okay.
Adar pashyatu, atara yakara asti. That should give you a clue that there was a nakara there. Here there is a jakara, so there it is slightly different. There it started out as takara, but here there is a yakara. So whenever you encounter a yakara here, it's most likely that there was a nakara previously. That's a clue.
Okay.
So nakara becomes, it's the fifth varna of the ta varga. Therefore, it becomes the fifth varna of the cha varga, which is yakara. So san jayaha sanjay. Uttama.
So, Mahoday, is that the third rule?
Takara plus tavarga.
Chavarga plus tavarga is chavarga.
No. San plus jayaha. So, tavarga plus chavarga.
Yeah. Yeah, that is the third rule.
Tavarga and chavarga.
And third rule.
Astu. Meera Narayanan Mahoday.
महोदय
कृपया पठतु.
यद्धूरं यद्धुराध्यं यच्च दूरे व्यवस्थितं यत्सर्वं तपसा साध्यं तपो हि दुरतिक्रमम्.
पुनः पठतु कृपया.
यद्धूरं यद्धुराध्यं यच्च दूरे व्यवस्थितं तत्सर्वं तपसा साध्यं तपो हि दुरतिक्रमम्.
उत्तमम्. यद्दूरं यद्दुराध्यं यच्च दूरे व्यवस्थितं तत्सर्वं तपसा साध्यं तपो हि दुरतिक्रमम्. पदच्छेदं करोतु.
Yat duram. Jastva sandhi. Yat duram. Then yat duradhyam. It becomes yaduradhyam. Again jastva. Then yat cha chutvam. Then dure vyavasthitam. Tat sarvam. Tat sarvam is samastapadam.
Tatra sandhi asti va?
Tat sarvam nasti mahodaya. Tapasa sadhyam tapohi durati kramam.
Tapohi atra sandhi asti va?
Tapaha hi utvam. That is tapaha hi becomes ukaradesha, then it becomes gunasandhi tapohi.
Uttamam. Yat duram, yat duradhyam, yat cha dure vyavasthitam, tat sarvam tapasa sadhyam tapaha hi durati kramam. Ekam pratyekasya padasya arthaha api vadatu.
Arthaha mahodaya?
Pratipadartham.
Yat that yat duram yah durah asti yat duradhyam ityukte duradhyam.
Kopi janati va duradhyam ityukte kimu?
Difficult to attain.
Grahane sthapayitum kinchit kashtamasti. Hard to remember.
Astu.
Hard to memorize. Smaranam kartum kinchit kleshah asti.
Duradhyam. Yah duram asti smaranam kartum kleshah asti. Yaccha bahu yaccha yah dure asti vyavasthitam tat sarvam vyavasthitam dure vyavasthitam ityukte dure sthitam vyavasthitam tat sarvam tapasa sadhyam sarvasva tapasa sadhyam iti tapahi durati kramam ityukte tapah karoti chet tapasa sarva karyam sulabam asti. No tapasa vina karyam klesham asti iti.
अत्र पश्यतु यत् दूरम् अस्ति यत् दूरे व्यवस्थितम् अस्ति द्वयोः भेदः कः?
यत् दूरम् अस्ति पदार्थः दुराध्यम् इति मनसा
दुराध्यं न यत् दूरं यत् दूरे व्यवस्थितम् द्वयोः भेदः कः?
दूरे व्यवस्थितं यत् दूरं यत् दूरे व्यवस्थितं स्थितं अहं न जानामि महोदय.
चिन्ता नास्ति. कोऽपि प्रयत्नं करोति वा?
Yat duram could mean the place where I want to go. It is a distance. And yat dure vyavasthitam means some things which I want to find get that is located at a distance.
That is located at a distance. What is the
distance? I mean that has been that dure yojitam asti.
Prathamam.
What is Prathamam? I want to go. I don't want to attain anything. I like Mysore Nagare gantum ichchami. The Mysore Nagare dure asti.
Journey is long.
Visheshana Vishesha Bhava and one has
Satyam. Visheshana.
I don't know. Is that interpretation correct?
That is how I interpreted also. Yatra अस्माकं जर्नी लाङ्ग् अस्ति
प्रयाणं दूरे अस्ति चेत् यत् दूरं प्रथम
प्रयाणमपि
अर्थः
so whatever is difficult to obtain normally is possible to cover. That is what it is saying. So we saw what? Two jashtva, one chutva, one visarga. So this is how normally, so far we've chosen all simple examples, but this is how most shlokas will be. So we are slowly increasing the difficulty level in what we are. एतस्य श्लोकस्य अर्थं सुलभमेव किल प्रश्नः अस्ति वा अत्र
महोदय दूरे व्यवस्थितम् इति अर्थं
दूरे स्थितं something that is placed very far.
Okay. And can you tell once again what is duradhyam, Mahodaya?
That which is hard to remember or memorize.
Is it related to adhyayanam?
Prayah. Adhyayanam. Somebody, if you can look it up, is it related or not? Prayah, most likely.
The first one and last one, what did you say? I didn't get it. Yat duram and yat dure vyavasthitam.
Yat duram is just the journey is very long.
In terms of distance.
Or think about it as that which is difficult to obtain.
Okay.
And yat dure vyavasthitam, where the object is situated very far away. Meaning your goal is not easily attainable.
Okay. And
Duratikramam.
Duratikramam, atikramam. What is atikramam? Atikramana.
Crossover. Atikramam.
Overpowering.
So duratikramam.
Tapahi duratikramam. The meaning here is tapas is the only way out.
Sadhyam.
Tapasa sadhyam kartum shakyate.
Tatsaram tapasa sadhyam. That means you get it only through tapas. And tapas is the only way. Tapohi durati kramam. Kramam is the method of doing, right? Process.
Haraprasad Mahodaya, prashna asti va?
न महोदय
Vada, pruchati.
न
Oh, no.
Thought I understood like duratikramam is that dura, whatever is there to cross over, the tapa is the only way.
I don't. This is not dura. This is dura. Duratikramam.
Which is whatever is the obstacle that can be overcome. Dur is a negative word. Okay, I understand like this. Then atikramam means whatever is a negative or obstacle that can be overcome with the help of tapas.
So is it double negation here?
Atikramam. It appears.
Double negation.
Atikramam is one negation. Duratikramam second negation. So it's a positive.
Okay.
So I see it as nothing is, nothing can do atikraman of power of tapa.
That is actually a better way of looking at it. Satyam. Tapaha hi duratikramam. Nothing can overpower tapaha. You are correct. I think that is a better way of looking at it.
Okay.
अस्तु प्रश्नाः न सन्ति चेत् अग्रे सरामः एतत्तु श्चुत्वसन्धेः नियमाः उदाहरणानि सन्ति तृतीयः सन्धिः अस्ति श्चुत्वसन्धिः ष्टुत्वसन्धिः वयं जष्ट्व व्यञ्जनसन्धौ जष्ट्वसन्धिः ष्टुत्वसन्धिः इति दृष्टवन्तः। अद्य ष्टुत्वसन्धिः इति तृतीयः व्यञ्जनसन्धिः अस्ति। पश्यामः। चैत्र महोदय कृपया पठतु।
अस्तु महोदय। ष्टुत्वसन्धिः सकारस्य षकारटवर्गाभ्यां योगे सकारस्य षकारः आदेशः भवति।
अर्थः कः?
अत्र सकार अथवा षकार टवर्ग च सम्बन्धः अस्ति चेत् क्रम सकारस्य षकारः आदेशः भवति।
So based on what we learned today, अर्थः कः? So which one is Purvavarna, which one is Paravarna? Can we say that?
न महोदय, पूर्ववर्ण द्वयोः पूर्णवर्ण अथवा परवर्णस्थाने अपि भवितुं शक्यते प्रायशः।
उत्तमम्। द्वितीयं नियमं पठतु।
तवर्गस्य षकार टवर्गाभ्यां योगे तवर्गस्य क्रमशः टवर्गः आदेशः भवति।
एतत् एकवारं पुनः पठतु।
षकार
वा षकार वा?
महाप्राण।
चिन्ता नास्ति। अर्थः कः?
अर्थः अत्र पूर्ववर्णस्थाने अथवा परवर्णस्थाने तवर्ग अथवा महोदय, it's difficult to pronounce the shak.
चिंता नास्ति. The only reason I'm drawing it out is Shtutva Sandhi has a shakara, so I don't want you to remember this as shakara. It's shakara.
Shakara, okay. Shakara अथवा ट वर्ग. So and then नन्तरं क्रमशः ट वर्ग अपि भवति.
कस्मिन् स्थाने टवर्गः आगच्छति?
अत्र तवर्गस्य स्थाने क्रमशः।
कः टवर्गस्य स्थाने टवर्गः क्रमशः आगच्छति इत्युक्ते किम्?
इत्युक्ते यदि तकार अस्ति चेत् टकार भवति, देन् थकार अस्ति चेत् ठकार भवति. So similarly, ta tha da dha na. So ta ta da 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 tha na.
दकारस्य स्थाने डकारः अस्ति.
धकारस्य स्थाने ढकारः भवति. नकारस्य स्थाने नकारः भवति.
उत्तमं. तृतीयः
टवर्गस्य तवर्गेण योगे तवर्गस्य क्रमशः टवर्गः आदेशः भवति. अत्र यदि तवर्गस्य सम्बन्धः अस्ति चेत् तवर्गस्य स्थाने टवर्गः आगच्छति महोदय. ओके. शकारस्य तवर्गेण योगे तवर्गस्य क्रमशः टवर्गः आदेशः भवति. अत्र अपि तवर्गेण शकारस्य सम्बन्धः अस्ति चेत् तवर्गस्य स्थाने टवर्गः आदेशः भवति.
अस्तु, उदाहरणानि पश्यामः. प्रायः तदा अवगन्तुं सुलभतया शक्यते. अत्र पश्यन्तु, टु इति नाम अस्ति टवर्गस्य. ठ ड ढ न अत्र टु इति नाम अस्ति ष्टु इत्युक्ते शकार प्लस टु ष्टु सो दीस् 6 वर्णास् शकार प्लस द टु अतः सन्धेः नाम ष्टुत्व सन्धिः इति अस्ति Same way, just like we saw with Jash and Chu. Chu was Cha Varga, Shematam, Shakara plus Cha. Chu is Cha Varga. So let's do the different combinations. Atrapi Prathamam Sakaraha Shavarga Tavargena Yoge. Sakarasya Shavarga षकारः अथवा टवर्गस्य योगे टवर्गेण योगे सकारस्य षकारः भवति
महोदय क्षम्यतां महोदय the rule 2 itself implies the 3 and 4 Mahodaya.
Yeah, I'm coming. Let's do the examples first. Haraprasad Mahodaya, that was your comment also?
No. So in Srutva, we had Alpa Pranasya. Here it is Mahaprana.
Satyam. That is why I was emphasizing on the pronunciation. Viraj Mahodaya, prayatnam karotu.
अस्तु महोदय धनुस् प्लस टकारः
टकार न अत्र
डङ् ओके टङ्कारः
सो अत्र पूर्ववर्णः किम् अस्ति सकारः परवर्णः
टकारः अस्ति
सकार टकार अतः किं भवेत्
महाप्राण श
सकारस्य षकारः भवति
सो धनुष्कारः
धनुष्टङ्कारः धनुस् टङ्कारः सकारस्य षकारः आदेशः अस्ति भवति अतः धनुष्टङ्कारः एतत् स्पष्टं वा कथम् इति स्पष्टं वा धनुष्टङ्कारः इत्युक्ते किं महोदय
it is some sound of the bow.
So when you pull the rope and leave it, when it is tightly wound, when you tie the rope to the bow, when people used to fight using that, they used to pull the string and leave it. So the sound when that string makes when you pull and leave it, that is tankara. Without putting the arrow, that's not what it is. Just the bow, when you pull the string and leave it, that is tankara.
That used to send shivers to the others' hearts.
Satyam. We will see that when we study Bhagavad Gita. Satyam. Haraprasad Mahodaya, prayatnam karotu. So we learn by example. You may be talking on mute, Haraprasad Mahodaya. Astu. Rajashri Mahodaya.
Okay. Ramas.
Haraprasad Mahodaya.
Okay. Ramas adhikam tikate. Sakarasya sthane. No. Takarasya sthane shakarah bhavati.
No. अत्र न सकारस्य षकार टवर्गाभ्यां योगे सकारस्य षकारः.
Yeah. So it is Ramash tikate.
Ramash tikate.
Yeah.
Ramash tikate. Tikate ityukte?
Is it some kind of a teak logically disclosing?
No, tikate ityukte gacchati itya.
Oh, I see.
So Ramas gacchati ityartha.
Okay.
So atra Ramas iti kimapi padam nasti. So before this, what might have been there?
Ramah.
Ramah tikate. Atrapi dhanuhu tankara.
Dhanuhu. Yeah.
Astu Ramah tikate. So Ramah gacchati. Sakarasya shakarah bhavati. Rajashri Mahoday.
बालस् षष्ठः सकारस्य षकारः आदेशः भवति बालषष्ठः
उत्तमं बालषष्ठः अर्थः
बालः षष्ठः sixth boy is it
उत्तमं sixth boy बालः षष्ठः. So it started out as balah shashtah, became balashashtah, sakaradesha, balashashtah, sixth boy, uttam. So that is the pratamah niyamah. Ditiya niyamah iti pashyamah udaharanam.
Can we go back to once the balashashtha? They were totally, they were already sashtaha. So there was one sa already.
One shakara, satyam.
Already was there, right?
So
now it should be, so there are like no see if we go to the beginning balas sashtaha. So there were two shakara in the sashta itself.
अस्तु typo अस्ति अत्र. You are correct. I'll fix it. धन्यवादः.
Okay.
मधुमती महोदय, द्वितीयः नियमः अस्ति, तस्य उदाहरणानि सन्ति अत्र. प्रयत्नं करोतु. टवर्गः द्वयोः योगे टवर्गस्य टवर्गः क्रमशः आदेशः भवति.
Tad plus damaruhu will become tad damaruhu.
Tad damaruhu. So purva varna will be dakara, paravarna is dakara. So
Dakara will become dakara.
Dakara, ta, da, trutiyah varnah.
Third,
da, trutiya varnah. So da becomes da. So tad damaruhu. Damaruhu ityukte?
The instrument that Shiva has in his hand.
That is where what came from, that damaruhu.
Maheshwara Sutrani came from.
Uttam. Rohini Mahoday.
But what is this tad damaruhu? Would it have been tat damaruhu?
Tat damaruhu.
Jashtva and then
Jashtva, it became tad damaruhu.
Thank you.
Rohini Mahoday.
Brihat tika. Brihat tika. It will be
Purvavarna takara.
Takaraha. It becomes takaraha.
Takara. First, pratamah varnam eva.
So it will be brihat tika.
Uttamam. Brihat tika.
Brihat tika.
Arthah kaha?
A big or magnificent writing, something like that.
Tika. What is tika?
Tika is some notes, something like that.
Commentary.
Commentary, yeah.
Uttamam. Narayanan Mahoday.
Mahodaya, didn't you say tika is a gacchati?
Tikate. Tikate is gacchati. Tika is a different word. Tika is commentary. Narayanan Mahoday.
Bhavat Tippani. So takara, tavarga plus tavarga. So it becomes bhavat. Bhavat tippani.
So bhavat tippani.
Bhavat tippani. Tippani.
अर्थः कः?
Tippani, I think, is notes for Tika.
Tippani is criticism.
No. Tippani is.
Tippani is critical review.
Or notes इति वक्तुं शक्यते.
Notes, criticism, okay.
Tika is commentary.
Tika is commentary.
Madhumati Mahoday, you have a different answer?
No, I was just saying it is an explanation for Tika.
Oh,
Just trying to say that. Tippani is an explanation for the commentary.
Oh, okay.
Little watered down version of.
It's a summary.
It's actually an elucidation of the Tika. You know, for people like us who don't understand, and somebody has made it simpler, made it lucid.
So Tippani is a watered down version of Tika?
Yeah, something like that. Easier version.
To start with Bhashyam,
Tika and
Tippani. Bhashyam, Tika, Tippani, it comes like that.
Astu.
Uttamam. So normally in the current context, we use Tippani just to mean notes. So when somebody writes any note, we say Tippani.
It's like a guide. You know, the school has got guide. No, children learn with it.
Actually, in a book, it is you can tell footnotes.
Footnote, normal notes api. So if I send an email with some explanation of something, we call that also as a Tippani. Or if we have a meeting and people take meeting minutes, right? So that is also called Tippani. So the modern or contemporary usage is in those contexts. Astu. So atra tavarga and tavarga. Now let's flip it. Tavarga plus tavarga.
Bhanu Mahoday, can we go to the last one? Here, like on the right side in this Yatha Sankhyam Adesha, this na it goes to ana, like this one.
So ta is the first, takara is the first character in the first varna in the ta. Ta, so first, so na is the fifth one, so it gets replaced by na, which is also.
Okay, yes. Dhanyawad.
Kalpana Mahoday. So this should have been, this table should have, I'll fix it. They should be reversed. No.
Shan adhikam navati.
Tavargaha
adhikam tavargana.
Shan
navati.
Shan navati. So nakarasya nakaraha bhavati. Shan navati.
There is one transformation of Shan itself as Natva.
It starts out with Shash.
Yeah. So Natva has happened there to become Shanna.
Right. What is the meaning over there?
Kopi vaktum prayat vadatu navatihi.
Oh, 1980, 89?
Navati.
99, 98, 96.
96.
Navati is 96.
96.
96 or 69?
96.
96.
So I was watching one video on Sankhya. Somebody was explaining in Sanskritam, you start with the unit place, 10 place, 100 place. That's how you read. Okay. Unlike say in Kannada, you start from the larger digit and go to the smaller digit. In Sanskritam, you start from the smaller digit and go from the unit place and go upwards.
So 6 more than 90. That's how
Correct.
we read it. 6 more than 90. Okay. Did everybody get a chance? Anybody I missed?
Aham.
Harsha Mahoday. Right.
Shan Adhikam nama.
No.
So na becomes ana. So it's shannama.
Shannama. So what is this telling us? Atra tavargaha purvavarna asti, tavargaha paravarna asti. Atra tavargaha purvavarna asti, tavargaha paravarna asti. Parantu, what is the varna that is getting adesha in both cases?
Tavarga.
Tavarga.
Tavarga. Tavarga is getting replaced by tavarga. So whether the tavarga is the paravarna or the tavarna is the purva varna, in either case, the tavarga is always gets an adesha of tavar. Shannama. Ityukte kim?
Six names. Six names.
Six names. Did I miss anybody? Did everybody get a chance? So, Kanchan Mahoday.
Mहोदय. Shan Nagaryah. It will be Shangaryah.
Shannagaryah. अत्रापि परवर्णः नकारः अस्ति परन्तु तस्य टवर्गस्य आदेशः आगच्छति अतः नकारः भवति षण्णगर्यः. अर्थः कः?
6 cities.
Nagari, Nagaryau, Nagaryah. Nagari also means the same as Nagaram, but Ikaranta strilinga. So atra ekam smaratu navati nama nagari. Just remember this. We'll come to these three particular padas in a minute. Just keep this in mind. Navati nama nagari. Astu. One more combination. Shakara plus tavarga. Lakshmi Mahoday.
Akrush plus taha. Akrishtaha.
Akrishtaha. So, takarasya takaraha iti adeshaha bhavati. So, always wherever the ta varga varnas are there, whether they are in purva varna or paravarna place, they are the ones that get replaced. The only time sakara becomes shakara is if sta and tra are being are participating in the sandhi. Akrishtaha ityukte.
Attractive.
Attractive. Krush. So there are many names from that. Krishnaha. The one who attracts, that's why his name is Krishna. So it comes from Krish. Rita Mahoday.
Ishtaha.
So atrapi tavargasya tavargaha bhavati.
Mहोदय. Ishtaha.
Ishtaha. अस्तु अत्रापि अपवादाः सन्ति. प्रथमः अपवादः अस्ति. निर्मल महोदय कृपया पठतु.
तवर्गस्य सकारे ष्टुत्वं न भवति. So तवर्गः प्लस सकारः ष्टुत्वं न भवति. उदाहरणं भवान् प्लस षष्ठः तत्र तवर्गः अस्ति न तवर्गे अस्ति. सो न योग स तत्र न भवति.
सन्धिकार्यं
न भवति. न तिष्ठति. भवान् षष्ठः.
नकारस्य नकारः न भवति.
Nakara na bhavati, na tishtati, bhavan sashtah.
So again here also this is a very specific combination. Out of the 8 possible combinations that we saw, just like with Stutva Sandhi, for Stutva Sandhi also, Sakara, Tavarga with Shakara and Tavarga. So this particular combination where the Purva Varna is the Tavarga and the Paravarna is the Shakara, only in that case the Stutvam does not happen. So udaharanartham bhavan shashtaha eva tishtati.
Mahoday, in the first slide, can you go back? In the first slide you showed. So here the second one was saying Tavarga plus Shavarga, Sha was there, right?
So that is the generic rule. So if you go back, if you look at the table here, so when you write that generic rule, it just says Sakara and Tavarga or with Shakara and Tavarga will result in Shtu as the Adesh. And then the exception is called out where there it says the one time the combinations don't apply is when the Purva Varna is Tavarga and Paravarna is Shakara. So they are calling out the exception. The first rule is a bit generic rule. So it's easier to remember it this way. That is why they write it like that.
So Mahoday, if the Purva Varna, Paravarna is interesting, supposing it is Shakara plus Takara, then it goes through.
Then it goes through. Satya. Shakara is the Purva Varna and Tavarga is the Paravarna, then it will go. Then Shtutvam is possible. We just have to search for example. Spashtam Abhiraj Mahodaya?
Yes, Mahoday.
So same thing we saw with Stutva Sandhi also. There, what was the exception? What was the Apavada? Purva Varna was the Shakara, Paravarna was the Tavarga. Shakara and Tavarga. There it was inter. Here, Purva Varna is Tavarga and Paravarna is Shakara. Akila Mahoday. एतत् पठतु द्वितीयः अपवादः
नाम नवति नगरीन् वर्जयित्वा पदान्तात् टवर्गात् परस्य सकारस्य टवर्गस्य च ष्टुत्वं न भवति नाम नवति नगरीन् वर्जयित्वा
अर्थः कः
these three wherever the presence of these three
Varjayitva means except these three.
Okay.
If you take out these three, Varjayitva, if you remove these three, if you take out these three, किं भवति?
Padantat tavargat. Okay. From the last padasya antat tavargat.
So if there is a tavarga at the end of the pada.
Yeah. Parasya sakarasya tavargasya cha shtutvam na bhavati. Parasya means the next one or the other one. Sakarasya tavargasya cha shtutvam na bhavati.
Sampurnah arthah kaha?
when the last varna is the ta varna, except for these three, if the next varna is sata, then the shtutvam na does not happen.
उदाहरणानि पश्यामः प्रथमं किम्
Shat plus santaha.
So
Shat santaha.
it is saying padante yadi tavargasya varnaha asti. So this is the prathama varna of the tavarga. So padante yadi tavargasya varnaha asti tasmat anantaram sakarah va tavargah va bhavati. Atra sakarah eva asti. अत्र षकारादेशः न भवति किमित्युक्ते पूर्वस्मिन् पदे नाम नवति नगरीं one of these three is not there, so that is why I told you to remember this. So if navati, nama and nagari are not there, not in the Purvapada, but Nama, Navati and Nagari are not there. In that case, whenever there is a Tavarga as the Padanta and followed by a Sakara or Tavarga, then Shtutvam will not happen. So, Shat plus Santaha, Shat Santaha Eva. So, if this Apavada was not there, what would have happened?
Sakara would have become Shakara.
Shat Shantaha. It should have been Shantaha, Parantu Nama Navati Nagari iti nasti ataha apavadaha agacchati sakarah eva. द्वितीयं पठतु अखिल महोदय.
Shat plus taruna.
Tarunaha.
So the last padanta is a ta varga, and parasya varna is starting with ta. So therefore, shtutvam is not happening.
If shtutvam happened, what would have been the case?
Ta varna should be replaced with by ta.
Takara. So Shattarunaha.
Shattarunaha iti.
It should have been Shattarunaha, parantu because of Apavada, it will remain as Shattarunaha eva. Antimam.
Last one is Madhulid plus Dinaha.
So is this Tavarga?
Mahodaya. Then next one is Takara Tavarga. But it won't be a Madhulid Dinaha. It will remain as Madhulid Dinaha.
Madhulid Dinaha iti na Madhulid Dinaha.
Madhulid Dinaha.
Yeshah apavadaha spashtam va? Are there any questions about this?
Oh, Mahodaya, that Nama Navati Nagarin, is it only for the Padam or is it for the Nakara?
No, not for the Nakara. It has to be either Nama, Navati or Nagari.
So any other Padam starting with Nakara, it will still fail.
It has to take the Shtutva. Okay, we'll give homework. In homework, we'll give an example to search.
No, Mahodaya. This one, in all these exception examples, it is ending with the ta varga. Okay, the rule itself is it has to end with the ta varga.
Rule says it has to end with the ta varga. Spashtam?
So if it is Shat plus Nagari,
Kim bhavati tada?
Tatadadana. Tatadadana. Ta varga will get replaced with ta varga Mahodaya. So
Nakarasya kim bhavati? So nakarasya nakaraha bhavati.
No.
Shat nagari.
Shat nagar.
But before that, probably some other sandhi will happen and it will be Shan Nagari Praya. Even I have to see whether it will remain Shat or it will become Shan first and then the sandhi happens. We have to.
Yeah, because why I asked you is in all these Navati Nama Nagari, always Shan is coming in before.
Probably because
But
of Anunasika sandhi, Shat probably becomes Shan and then the Shtutvam happens.
So more one more question. When you are talking about Nama, Navati and Nagari in Nagari, even those Vibhakti forms will also pass through. Because here we have seen an example of Nagarya. It's a Vibhakti form.
Satyam. It still applies.
So all the Vibhakti forms should go through.
All Vibhakti forms should take the Shtutvam, Satyam.
Anyways, the vibhakti is in the last.
Shan Nagarebhyaha. Shan Nagarebhyaha. प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? अन्ये प्रश्नाः? नो चेत् अभ्यासं कुर्मः. After Rama Mahodaya.
Yes. Uttanganam becomes Uttanganam.
Uttanganam. Takarasya
Takara.
Adesha. Uttamam. Gayatri Mahodaya.
Shat Tippani. Shat Tippani.
No.
Shat.
Shat va?
Sat Tippani.
So, Sat
Tippani.
Sat Tippani. Prashant.
Mohoday. Syat Dhakka. So it would be Syat Dhakka.
Syat Dhakka. So first Jashtvam will happen. Ta becomes Da, Syad Dhakka. Then Dakara, which is the Trutiya Varna. It has to take the Trutiya Varna of the Ta Varga, Ta, Da. So Syad Dhakka. Meena Hariharan Mahodaya. Meena Hariharan Mahodaya. Vallabh Mahodaya.
महोदय 30 का
स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड
30 का अस्ति
30 का मीरा नारायणन महोदय
बृहत् टङ्कशाला
बृहत् टङ्कशाला बृहत् टङ्कशाला
टङ्कशाला
किमस्ति
30 ka, if you look at the Apavada, okay, it is tower. Okay, not tower. Okay. Okay.
अर्थः कः टङ्कशाला?
Tankashala is a mint where things are minted. Chaitra Mahoday.
एकत् टिट्टिभकः अत्र तवर्गः अस्ति एकट्टिट्टिभकः
प्रथमं किमपि अन्यं सन्धि आगच्छति
एकत् अन्यं न अत्र ओके महोदय कथं
this is a type of bird, I think. परन्तु अत्र शकारः किमस्ति किमर्थमस्ति? I think there is a typo here.
अत्र ट कर्कषव्यञ्जनं खलु? सो जष्ट्वसन्धि न भवितम्
I think it is ekah titittabakah because
no. Ekah, then it would have been ekas, not ekas.
Ekas, therefore ekas become ekashti.
Ekas. So this should be ekas. This should be ekas.
Ekas becomes in Shutvam, it becomes Shakara.
Typo
Shakara becomes the Shakara.
Typo atra ekat na ekas.
Ekah.
It will be Ekaha.
Ekah started out as Ekaha. Becomes ekas. Ekash titilika. So the samadhanam is correct. Prashna, it should be ekas. I'll fix. Or we can keep it as ekaha.
Ekaha.
Viraj Mahoday.
Brihad plus Damaru. So then Jastva should become first. Brihad. Then Da plus Takara should replace by Takara only. Brihat Tamaru.
So Da will be replaced by what?
It should be third letter.
Third varna of which varga?
Chakara, right? So
Chakara, Takara, Tavarga. Not Chavarga, that is Chutva. We are talking Shtutva.
Yeah, first Jaspam we are talking. So
Jaspam is fine. Ta becomes Da. Anantaram.
Then it should be replaced by Takara only. Yeah.
Takara?
No, Ta.
Tana. See, Ta becomes Da, right? Because of Jaspam. Ta, Tha, Da, Trutiya Varna. Bruhad Damaru. Dakara is the Trutiya Varna of the Ta Varga. Ta, Tha, Da. So, Da will be replaced by Ta, Tha, Da. So, Bruhad Damaru. Spashtam?
Yes, Mohan.
Haraprasad Mohan.
Bruhat Adhikam Dindimaha.
Ah.
That is the name of a person.
प्रायः अत्र डिण्डिमः इत्युक्ते पक्षी इति एकः पक्षी I wrote the meanings here to help us. Dindima is a musical instrument.
Oh, Dindima. Okay, all right.
There is another saying in the Dindima means Udghosha, means it is Damaru type, this thing drum type. There's a text called Vedanta Dindima.
Yeah.
Repeat the last part.
Vedanta Dindima.
Means?
There's Vedanta is shouting and explaining that, something like that.
There is one in Kannada also, Haraprasad Mahodaya, Barisu Kannada Dindimava.
The drum, Dindima means drum, that kettle.
Ghosha.
Kettle drum.
Oh, okay.
Kettle drum.
Okay. Bruhut. Okay. First, Pratamaha, just one. Takarasya tane dakaraha bhavati. Bruhut Dindimaha. And then in place of Dakarasthane Shakara bhavati.
So this becomes Bruhad Dindimaha.
Right.
So the Ta Varga, the is Trutiya Varna. Ta, tha, da. Always the Ta Varga gets replaced, right?
Right, correct. Okay.
So the becomes
Ta Varga.
No. The, it is Bruhad. Ta becomes the because of Jashtva.
Okay.
And Dakara is the Trutiya Varna. Ta, tha, da. So it has to be replaced by the third Varna of the Ta Varga, right?
Ta, da. Okay. Bruhad Dindimaha.
Bruhad Dindimaha. So Bruhad Dindimaha, which then becomes Bruhad Dindimaha.
The drum beat.
Big drum. अस्तु अन्तिमं कुर्मः राजश्री महोदय.
Tavargah plus Tadi. Tavargas, no. Karkasha Vyanjana will become
Sakaradesha.
Sakaradesha.
So Tavargas Tadi.
Tavargash Tadi.
Tavargas Tadi becomes Tavargash Tadi. So Visargasya Sakarah Prathama Bhavati Tavargas Tadi, and then because of Tutvam Tavargash Tadi. So Tavarga and Tadi means Ta and others. I think this would have appeared in some Vyakarana Pustakam. This is a fragment of some sentence that is explaining something. So it just probably means Ta Varga and then plus along with Ta and some other letters. I think that's how we should read it. Astu samayah abhavat atra samapayamah ekam anyam abhyasam api asti agre. Tasmat purvam prashnaha sandehaha santi va?
Although the last example, go to the Shtutvam Sandhi rules. It is Sakara plus Shakara Tavargabhyam. Correct?
Okay.
That is the first rule. Then the second rule was Tavargasya Shakara Tavargabhyam. So you're treating Shakara and Ta Varga Bhyam together. I mean, you're not looking for an interaction between those two.
So these go together either as Purvarna or Paravarna, and these go together either as Purvarna or Paravarna. So
if you take the last example, if you take the last example, it was a Shakara plus Takara.
Kutra asti?
Last one. No, the previous one you missed.
So.
Tavargas. Tavargaha becomes Tavargas.
Sakara plus?
Sakara plus Tavarga is becoming. No, it's not Tavarga.
Sakara plus Tavarga. So Sa becomes Shra. Kutra klesha asti?
Okay, got it, Mohammed.
अस्तु अन्ये प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? नो चेत् मङ्गलश्लोकं कृत्वा समापयामः। लक्ष्मी महोदय कृपया मङ्गलश्लोकं करोतु पूर्णमदि।
I don't know that Mahodaya.
न जानाति वा? सर्वे भवन्तु वदतु।
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्ति, मां कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्।
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः।
धन्यवादः।